how to fix Minecraft not responding easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft not responding easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first just open settings, and then once you're here go to privacy, and then go to background apps and close all the background apps that you don't need, or you can just close all of them just by turning off the first option. And after that just go to system and go to notifications. Now turn off notifications, and after that just close applications here. Close applications from this one, applications that you don't need, and that's it. Now just try again. If that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your PC and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.